Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I teach you how to fold plasma white paper airplane. Fold your paper in half. Fold these two corners to that edge, or that edge to this edge. So if I did it too fast, you just first you fold it in half, and then you put this edge onto this piece, and then do the same with the other side. And then unfold it, and then fold this corner to that crease. These edges puff out, but don't flatten them. So now you have this crease. So you're gonna fold that crease, and that crease is gonna land on this edge. Now just flatten these sides because it'll puff out. And now fold these two corners to the middle. Do the same with the other side. And then you will have this. So and then you are going to put your thumb in this pocket, and then you're gonna crease the inside here. So like this, crease inside here. And now you're gonna land this corner on this edge. And now you have this flap. You're gonna fold this in, but the flap, you're gonna tuck it under. So look, you have this. This flap, you're gonna tuck it under this. So you have this. And then you're gonna do all the same steps on the other side. Put your finger in here. Crease, flatten it out, pull to the corner, and now you're just going to tuck it under into that pocket. So just do this, and when you fold it in, lift that up, tuck it all into layers. So now you see you have all of these layers inside here. So now you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to start with one of the wings and fold from the point, and then land this back crease right on that corner. So one edge looks like that. And then you're gonna do the same with the other side. So now you see you have this. You might want to add this, but first, let's see how it flies without it. So it needs, you need to bend up the back of the wings. And now it flies better. Thank you for watching. Bye.